So I'm turning it on, and it's already warm from using it, and I'm doing double. Let's see what happens this time. Left and it just kind of works. And that's it.
You can see that this is all plastic tubing that's going down into the reservoir eventually, where the portafilter, where it'll come out. It's all hot water is basically going through these plastic tubes to go down into that portafilter at a high pressure. Even to the steamer, which is this arm over here, the thing that is leading to it is this plastic tubing. And that's all coming from, at least this is stainless steel, but once it's all heated up, it's all really coming through the plastic tubing. So take that for what you want to take it for, I guess.